Welcome to LyFiveElements, where we're dedicated to sharing the wisdom of traditional Chinese metaphysics with the world. Our mission is to teach complex subjects like the four pillars of destiny, Qi, Feng Shui, and more in simple, easy to understand English. Subscribe and share our content to help spread this ancient knowledge. Your support is what drives us forward. We also offer personalized one-on-one consultations to guide you on your metaphysical journey. Feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly for more information. Thank you for being part of our community. In this lesson, we continue discussing the luck formula to chart your life's fortune. Let's first look at people with strong constitutions and how they interact with different energies based on the 5 elements. When encountering energy that I generate, since they are already strong, using their energy to generate or help others will consume their own energy. Despite this consumption, their overall life situation experiences a rapid rise. This is because the act of creation or support still aligns with their inherent strength, pushing them to new heights. When encountering energy that I control, when they exert control over another element, they expand energy. But because the energy level is high, this results in a slower but more sustained rise. Overall, the situation still improves, but at a steadier pace. When encountering energy that controls me, even though this energy diminishes them, their inherent strength allows them to maintain balance. This creates a horizontal state where their life neither improves nor declines significantly. Their strong constitution helps them withstand the controlling energy. When encountering energy that generates me, despite being strong, when they receive additional support or nurturing energy, it creates an imbalance. This excess strength becomes counterproductive, causing a gradual decline in their life situation. They become overburdened by the excess energy. When encountering energy that is the same as mine, meeting energy that is similar to their own amplifies their strength to an excessive degree. This leads to a rapid decline because the overabundance of similar energy overwhelms them, pushing their life situation down quickly. In summary, the states of prosperous, supportive, resting, restrained, and date for strong individuals are rapid rise when using the energy to support others, slow, steady rise when controlling others, stable, horizontal state when being controlled, gradual decline when receiving support, and rapid decline when encountering similar energy. This illustrates the dynamic interaction between a strong individual's inherent energy and the external influences of the 5 elements. For individuals with weak constitutions, their interaction with the different energies of the 5 elements also determines their state of prosperous, supportive, resting, restrained, and date. Here's how these states are distinguished for those with weak constitutions. When encountering energy that is the same as mine, because they are weak, encountering similar energy helps them by boosting their own energy. This results in a prosperous state where their life situation rapidly rises. The additional support from the similar energy greatly enhances their strength. When encountering energy that generates me, the nurturing energy supports them, but since they are weak, the rise is slower and more gradual. This creates a supportive state where the life situation improves steadily over time. When encountering energy that I generate, being weak, using the energy to support or generate others depletes their already limited state. This leads to a resting state where their life remains relatively stable, neither improving nor worsening significantly. Their weak state limits the energy they can expend, creating a horizontal plateau. When encountering energy that I control, controlling another element while being weak further drains their energy. This leads to a restrained state where their life situation slowly declines. Their limited energy makes it challenging to exert control without significant self-depletion. When encountering energy that controls me, this is the most detrimental state for weak individuals. The controlling energy overwhelms them, leading to a rapid decline in their life situation. Their weak constitution cannot withstand external pressure, causing a fast downturn. In summary, the states of prosperous, supportive, resting, restrained, and date for weak individuals are rapid rise when encountering similar energy, slow, steady rise when receiving supportive energy, stable horizontal state when expanding energy to support others, gradual decline when controlling others, rapid decline when being controlled by external energy. This framework shows how a weak individual's energy levels and life circumstances are influenced by the 5 elements interactions. Today, we learned how the energy levels and life circumstances of people with strong energy and weak energy are influenced by the interactions of the 5 elements. In the next lesson, we will discuss the ups and downs of life. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and share to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating. Any questions or need personalized guidance? Leave us a comment or get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being part of the LyFiveElements family. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. See you in the next lesson.